Welcome back. In this video, we are driving straight into the heart of the platform. What exactly Adobe Experience Manager is and why do the world's largest enterprise rely on it? At its core, AEM is a comprehensive enterprise grade content management suite that forms the backbone of the Adobe Experience Cloud. As a developer, you will primarily interact with two massive foundational modules, AEM Sites and AEM Assets. AEM Sites is where digital experiences are built. It allows global companies to manage dozens of multilingual, multi-region websites from a single interface. Using features like multi-site management, live copies, authors can update a master page and seamlessly push that content across hundreds of localized regional sites in seconds. Right alongside it is AEM Assets, a robust digital asset management or a DAM system. The DAM stands for Digital Asset Management that handles everything from images, videos, streaming via dynamic media to heavy binary documents. It is built to deliver optimized and brand approved media to any screen or devices globally. Our job as a developer is to create the components, templates, and backend logic that makes this massive marketing machine run smoothly. To build effectively in AEM, you have to understand what is happening under the hood. The traditional AEM stack relies on a unique, highly optimized three-tier architecture: the JCR, Apache Sling, and OSGI. Let's start at the very bottom. JCR, the Java Content Repository, specifically implemented via Apache Oak. Unlike traditional relational databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL that uses rows and columns, but AEM stores everything: code, content, configuration, digital assets in a hierarchical tree structure of nodes and properties. Sitting right on top of the repository is Apache Sling, the next important part. Sling is a web framework that brings a truly restful, resource oriented approach to web development. In Sling, URLs map directly to specific content nodes in the JCR. It uses a script resolution process to look at the content node and find its resource type and render it using modern HTML template language or HTL. Finally, the third most important part of AEM architecture is OSGI, that is implemented via Apache Felix. OSGI provides a dynamic modular system for Java. This means our backend applications are compiled into independent modular units called bundles. We can install, start, stop, and update backend code, custom OSGI services, and Sling models on a live server completely on the fly without ever having to reboot the entire application. Mastering how these three layers interact is what separates the junior coders from expert AEM engineers. Now let's talk about where the platform is today and where it is going. So AEM has fundamentally evolved into AEM as cloud services or AEM. This means the that days of manually patching local infrastructure are gone. The platform is completely cloud native, featuring continuous CI/CD deployments via Cloud Manager, automatic scaling to handle massive traffic spikes, and built-in security hotfixes. Furthermore, AEM is now completely AI ready. Adobe has integrated agentic AI natively into the cloud platform. Features like content MCP servers allow external AI agents like ChatGPT or Claude to securely interact with your content repository. Authors can use generative AI tools inside the Universal Editor to seamlessly create brand aware copy variations, auto translate content through the LLMs, and leverage AI generated smart tags for assets metadata. But the real game changer for front end developer is edge delivery services or EDS. So Edge Delivery Services introduces a performance first published tier that executes the code and serves static server rendered HTML straight from the CDN edge. It introduces document based authoring, allowing creators to publish the pages instantly using familiar tools like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. By bypassing the traditional heavy rendering pipelines utilizing plain HTML, native CSS, and vanilla JavaScript, the EDS allows developers to build complex enterprise web experiences that hit a flawless 100 out of 100 Google Lighthouse speed out of the box. Throughout this masterclass, we will cover both the classic foundations and these cutting edge cloud architectures, ensuring you're fully prepared for the future of enterprise development. Let's dive into the next lesson and start configuring our local environment.